Hello student, once again you are welcome for online classes. So today in this video I would like to teach you something about how to write an essay. You know that it's every student tries to do the best in writing skills. But before attempting any essay, I would like to share something important things about attempting any good essay. So today we are going to learn something about how to compose a good essay. There are three steps are there: introduction, body, conclusion. Whenever you attempt any essay, three things should be there in your writing. So what are those? Introduction, body, conclusion. Let's learn what is there in introduction. When you compose an introduction, it should be 30 to 40 words. Three things should be there in the introduction. Like number one, we have the hook. Number two, background statement. Number three, writer's stand. Hook means an interesting line. When you start writing an essay, it should be interesting line. Background statement means you will change the topic, words, synonyms. Don't write the same in the introduction that topic. Third one, writer's stand. Writer's stand means what is your stand? Do you agree or disagree? In the same way, body. In body, two paragraph you must put it. First, BP1, body paragraph number 1. First point, you will explain. And there should be explanation. In the same way, second BP2, paragraph number 2. Second point, explanation. Two paragraphs you can put in the body. And conclusion, what's the meaning of conclusion? Conclusion means clear standpoint. It should be clear that you are going to conclude and restate your points. Whatever points you have explained in the body, you have to restate. Restate means once again in the conclusion you would say. So three things should be there. And if I talk about 40 words for introduction, body paragraph 80-80 and conclusion 40 or 50 between, and total word limit will be 250 words. Is that clear? Now, this is your assignment. It is useful for college students to take up part-time jobs. Do you agree or disagree? Take up. It means college students, you think that they should do part-time jobs. So you have to write an essay. Do you agree or disagree? So dear students, please, when lockdown will be open, so this is your assignment. Write on your copy this essay, because so many things will come slowly one by one to you, and I want to check it. How I'll check it? After when lockdown will be open. Thank you very much for watching this video.